This is the third and last part of the adventure of our full-day tour of the James Bond Island and the Phang Na Bay. In the earlier two videos, we had covered the tour of James Bond Island and the caves and lagoons of Phang Na Bay. However, this is going to be even more exciting as we would explore that part of the Phang Na Bay where limestone caves are usually inaccessible due to high tides. We were lucky to be out on a day with low tides. Our big boat pulled off at a little distance away from the caves of Hong Island. While the canoes were being lowered into the water, all of us got ready. While waiting for our turn to board the canoes, I enjoyed the pristine beauty of the nature around me, while few others spent time swimming in the water.
You don't make like a monkey. Fish. Don't do like a monkey.
We were about to enter one of the limestone caves. It is quite evident why most of the time these caves are inaccessible. Whenever the water level is high, these caves get completely filled up. The roof of the cave is so low that one needs to completely lie down.
It's a heavy adventurous. Huh?
While enjoying this beautiful experience, we had to be really careful of not getting hit by the rocks which jutted out from different corners every now and then. The inside of the cave was dark. However, our canoe guide had a light on his helmet which helped to look around. The passage became too narrow here, and a little careless movement could get us hurt.
야, 이거 내고 와.
We had reached the opening at the other end of this amazing cave to find a magnificent hidden lagoon. The entire lagoon, filled with mangroves and surrounded by limestone cliffs, was a feast to the eyes. There was no other sound apart from the splashing oars and the occasional chirping of birds and bats. There is no greater beauty on earth than the beauty of nature. A brush with nature unites us into one, because the language of nature is the same for all. Moving back to the cave again.
আবার ওইখানেই ঢুকছে।
বসে পড়ো, আর পায়ে বসে পড়ো। হ্যাঁ, বাস লাগবে না। তুমি কিন্তু এয়ার আসছে, ভোট তো হবে, ভীষণ অদ্ভুত। ওরা মাথায় টর্চ লেগেছে বলে আলো আছে। ভূতের ইয়ে পাটাকে আমার রাখতে দাও। ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পারবো না না, এখান থেকে এখানেই লেগে যাবে, ওখান দিয়েও যেতে হচ্ছে। কিচ্ছু হবে না, কিচ্ছু হবে না, কিচ্ছু হবে না। ও ধরে নিচ্ছে, তোমাকে লাগবে না, ও ধরে নিচ্ছে, ও বসে আছে, ও বোঝার চেষ্টা করো, ও বসে আছে। What an experience! Good Kabita, good bodyguard. Good bodyguard. Okay, slowly one by one, please. Coming, stand up, push, stand up. Go ahead, hold the boat, hold the boat. Okay, I'm going to get up. Stand up. উঠে বসে পড়ো। ও
One, two, three. Okay. No problem. You are not too young and you are not too old.
We spent some time on a secluded beach on Panak Island while playing games and canoeing in the waters.
ওরা নিজেরাই ফুটবল খেলছে সেটা।
The sun was about to set and our tour about to end, but we didn't feel like leaving this beautiful place. It felt as if the seabirds were bidding us adieu. Next day morning, after a sumptuous breakfast at Blue Ocean Resort, it was time to bid goodbye to Phuket. We hired a private minivan to take us from Phuket to Krabi, another beautiful location of Thailand. The weather was misty and our 2-hour journey was filled with enchanting views of the surroundings. Join us in our next videos of Krabi, Riley Beach, Longtail Boat and 4 Island Tour.